Hey everyone, this is Malaika Turner with Retention Rep number 2, where I'm bringing you information concerning retention activity across the Student Affairs Division. I'm really excited about athletics. Not only are they winning on the court and on the field, but they're also winning in the classroom. Because of the work that they're doing, they are retaining student athletes here at IUP, and we can't wait to see what they do in 2018 and 19. The hiring of a case manager is underway. The Center for Health and Well-Being is hiring a case manager position that will help lend a hand to the retention efforts that we are developing here at IUP. So we look forward to this person who will come and be a part of the team. And we also look forward to the experience that our students will have with this particular case manager position. Lastly, housing. The Residence Life area introduced an engagement model last year in the residence halls. But after doing some tweaking and talking with students, we realized that if we want to retain students in our halls, we've got to do something different. And so now we have the iCares engagement model. And we look forward to showing our students how much we care by providing them more personal interaction and sharing our story in a really relatable way. So that's it for Retention Rep number 2. I look forward to sharing some more information with you in Retention Rep number 3. Stay tuned. This is Malaika Turner.